to create a landing page and thank you page in HubSpot. So we go to marketing, website, landing page, and then we go to create. We'll call this one here test one landing page, or we can just call it ebook landing page. So you look for your theme. Some of the theme they're gonna already have like a landing page already built. As you can see there is already like two kind of landing page. So as we can just create one from scratch. Okay. So we're gonna have two column. We go to layout. We look for two column. We drag it in. Then we're gonna have the form and the text form. And you get the form plus. Looking for the form. Drag the form. As you can see, this is the default HubSpot form. And then let's look for the rich text. Rich text where we're gonna put our content. Or rich text. Drag it there. Yeah. So this is gonna be ebook. Download. Yeah, so now we have it like that. We don't need this one here. So to delete this one here, we go to content. We don't need this, we delete. Okay, so now let's create let's get the form. So we're gonna create our new form. Create form. Yeah, so the form has been created. So we're gonna edit. Click action, go to full form edit. Skip the tour. We call our form ebook landing page. As you can see, this is where you can edit the form. And then we need first name, last name, and the email. So that's it. And then after that we click we're gonna click update. Okay, so this is our and then we're gonna need some image there for the ebook plus image. Okay, we're gonna need a HubSpot default image. There we go. Right. So the way that you replace the image from here, just select replace, and then you're gonna get your image from your file manager, or you can upload it from your computer. So we have our ebook, we can have it there, or if you want to move it so that you can have at least so that must be balanced. So it depends if you want to keep it like that or move it on top here. So it depends of whatever you're trying to do. But for this one here, let's just keep it aside. So we're gonna keep it there. So we have our ebook download. So good, yeah. So now about our products, for instance. Okay, so we can have it like that. Let's copy this one there. Yeah, this one you move this side. Okay, so now this here we can edit some of the form beside here. So form contents, you can put the download. Now, so we finished. Once you finish, you're gonna just page title and then flag. We go to settings. We have settings there. Okay, we paste it there. There we go. So now we're gonna have to here where you put your description. But now we're gonna have to save it. I mean, there's been auto save. You finish, you publish. There we go. So now we're gonna do the testing on when we submit the form. You need to go to the thank you page. So you have inline message. If you want the inline message is like that, we're gonna do right now is inline message. We're gonna do a test there. Okay. Yeah, so we're testing now. Okay. Okay, now let's test. This is test one. We submit. You get your inline thank you message, but now we want to redirect it to a thank you page. So we're gonna have to create now a thank you page. So this one is done. Let's create another thank you page. Exit. So thank you page. We click create. Thank you page can just be a normal website page, or you can edit in the landing page, but normally we edit under the website page. Thank you. It's gonna be ebook. Thank you. Okay, so now let's see some other template. We already have thank you, like you say, you can see like they already have it, but we're gonna build one from scratch. So let's say blank, select. Okay, so as you can see here, let's have it's gonna be, for instance, like welcome. So yeah, let me just do this. You click one. It's gonna be you drag one section. You add your module there. So we're gonna add rich text. Okay. So we don't need this one here. We have to delete the first section. Delete. Okay. So now this is gonna be thank you. Yeah. So thank you for the submission. Okay. So let's remove this one here. Okay, so we're going to center it. So here we're gonna put a personalization token. So to put a personalization token, you click insert, and then you look for first name, contacts, and then first name, and then insert. So we're gonna need kind of like a default text in case. Yeah, let's just use a default text there. So in case if there's nothing, it's gonna be a hide. If there is a name, it's going to be the name of the person. Thank you for the submission. So here sometimes we do put like you can put the if you have some articles or other landing page that you want other ebook for people to download, you can recommend some of the ebook there. For instance, let's say let's add something here just for testing. Yeah, let's assume this one is just kind of like your other ebook, something for people to download or something for people to buy. Yeah, so you can have something like that. Backgrounds, we need some color there. Background color. Okay, make it something like that, for instance. All right, so here we go. So now we're gonna test. Let's give it now a URL that we're going to use. Okay, so let's go now preview our publish. So you have to publish your thank you page, so that must take effect. Here we go. You can see this one is going until there. We have to center it. Did we center it? Okay, centered. Yeah, and then let's make this one a bit smaller. Alignment, let's bring it to 77. Yeah, looks nice now like that. Update, fresh. Yeah, as you can see, I should test LP because of the first test that we did put the name there. So now let's refresh the page, landing page. So we're gonna have to add in this landing page here, edit again, so that you can add the redirect. Thank you, redirect, and then we select thank you. There we go. Thank you, ebook. Is the way that you select, and then we update, refresh our page. It's gonna be, let's say, John Doe test. Another John Doe test. Yeah. Okay, so click download. Okay, let's refresh. Yeah. So sometimes apps will always have some caching issue, but if the person is using their own computer there, yeah, so their name is gonna pop up like that. So yeah, so this is the way that you create your thank you page and your landing page in HubSpot. Thank you so much.